Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have 3 work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company Multiplan Inc. They're looking for a data intake associate. It pays up to $17 an hour. Data intake associate. Remote positions available, temporary, $17 per hour. Founded in 1980, Multiplan is the industry's most comprehensive provider of healthcare cost management solutions. We provide the most comprehensive portfolio of cost management solutions, helping payers manage the cost of care. We are seeking multiple temporary associates for an intake position. This is a temporary position which is expected to last 60 to 120 days. The expected start date is September 19, 2022. A training class is provided during the first week of employment. New employees will need to work 8 to 4:30 p.m. CT during the training. After training, there is flexibility in the work schedule. Responsibilities: intake and create cases in all applicable systems. Perform timely data entry of necessary information. Perform adjustments on medical claims. Perform outreach to customers to obtain necessary details on medical claims. Research appropriate systems to identify data needed to complete cases. Ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations and requirements. Demonstrate company's core competencies and values held within. Please note, due to the exposure of sensitive data, this role is considered to be a high-risk role. The position responsibilities outlined above are in no way to be construed as all-encompassing. Other duties, responsibilities, and qualifications may be required and/or assigned as necessary. Requirements: high school diploma or equivalent. Ability to efficiently use a keyboard and quickly navigate software applications. High-speed internet access. Quiet work area without distractions. Regular and consistent attendance and adherence to work schedule. Knowledge of medical insurance terminology preferred. Communication skills. Ability to work without frequent supervision. Ability to maintain confidentiality in all required situations. Ability to use software, hardware, and peripherals related to job responsibilities. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Natural Shrimp Inc. They're looking for a social media specialist. It pays up to $25 an hour. Natural Shrimp is seeking a part-time social media specialist. This position reports directly to the executive team and is in charge of the overall execution of social media and community management. We are looking for an experienced, innovative, and creative self-starter who has superior communication and writing skills. Responsibilities will include, but are not limited to, developing the overall social media strategy to present to the executive team, distributing campaigns via MailChimp for press releases, news updates, and events, managing current social platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, creating compelling and engaging content for all social media channels, following industry news articles and trends, executing social media plans to drive brand awareness and grow our following, responding to messages and mediating comments, collecting and analyzing information from multiple data sources to uncover insights, statistics, and trends. Qualifications: 2-4 years in a social media role or equivalent combination of experience and education. Ability to demonstrate passion for creativity and an eagerness to learn and share new trends in the social and digital marketing space. Proficient in all social media platforms, MailChimp, Canva, and Outlook. Experience working remote and ability to work independently. Flexible schedule, approx. 4 hours week. Occasional weekend, evening coverage will be required. Job types: part-time, contract. Pay $25 per hour. Schedule: UNCO, self-determined schedule. Experience: social media management, 2 years required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company iMarket Solutions. They're looking for a social media specialist. It pays up to $65,000 a year. iMarket Solutions is growing. We are seeking to add a rockstar social media specialist who will play a vital role in developing and enhancing the social media presence of our clients. This is a client-facing position to which the social media specialist will be responsible for developing a social media strategy, organic and paid content, and managing our clients' social media platforms by way of community management. The social media specialist will report to the social media department manager and will work alongside a team of social media specialists and other members of the iMarket team. Though remote, this position only applies to candidates who reside and will indefinitely continue to reside in the following states: AZ, CA, CO, FL, IL, IN, NJ, NY, PA, TN, TX, VA, BT, WA, Y, or. Duties: a successful social media specialist will have the ability to work in a fast-paced environment and meet deadlines, prioritize and handle multiple projects at a time, and generate monthly social media reports to effectively communicate marketing strategies to clients. You will be responsible for create monthly organic content for 20 plus clients, scheduling and managing daily social media content, creating social media advertising campaigns for clients, community management for 20 plus clients, creating content with a purpose that may directly engage customers while following brand guidelines, creating clear calls to action that convert engagements into customers, developing and growing fan engagement strategies, providing community management on client accounts, understand, craft, and communicate social media metrics and reporting, maintaining and tracking planned content publishing efforts, attending client monthly, quarterly calls, attending weekly staff meetings and other online meetings or calls as assigned, collaborating with social media and account teams to align on messaging and storytelling opportunities, sharing, monitoring, and engaging on key hashtags, ideating new campaigns and social opportunities with a team, always looking for the next social opportunity for our clients. Other duties as assigned: required skills and experience: bachelor's degree in marketing, digital marketing, communications, advertising, journalism, or related field, or 3 years of experience in social media marketing. Must have prior agency experience. Must know how to run Facebook ad campaigns via Facebook Ad Manager. Community management experience a plus. Google Analytics knowledge. Social media scheduling platforms. Great verbal and written communication skills. Ability to work independently and creatively. Stay up to date with trends in the social media industry. Knowledge of how various social media channels work, how to optimize content, how to monitor and report social campaign results, and how to grow brand awareness. Ability to track KPIs and benchmarks to communicate analytics to clients. Job type: full-time. Pay up to $65,000 per year. Benefits: 401k, 401k matching, dental insurance, flexible schedule, health insurance, paid time off, professional development assistance, referral program, vision insurance, schedule, 8-hour shift, experience, social media marketing, 3 years required, Facebook Ad Manager, 1 year required, agency, 1 year preferred.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
below under job number 3 so you can
apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.